guys, this is just my match versus Shakhtar Donetsk. Look at the goals I scored. The free kick was amazing. I'm sorry for coming so late in the video. Yeah, minute 33 with Ronaldo. I think from now on I'll probably just show you the highlights. Oh, William. William is just amazing. I beat Ajax. I couldn't beat Ajax with Barcelona. So guess what? I got Shakhtar. I'm just gonna beat Ajax with Shakhtar, and William scored the goals. That's why he's amazing. I just need to check my camera for all this let's go. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.